Breaking news from the American tech industry this week. eBay, one of the world's biggest e-commerce companies, has filed warn notices to lay off 639 American employees in 2026. And in the exact same period, eBay has filed applications to hire 429 H-1B visa workers. Same company, same year, firing Americans, hiring H-1B. And the CEO just announced the company is performing ahead of expectations. Hi everybody, I am your host Neha Upadhyay. This is Ecos Global and today we need to talk about this. So let me just give you the full picture. Warn notices, for those who do not know, these are official legal documents that companies in America must file before mass layoff. They are public record and eBay's warn notices show 639 US-based employees are being laid off in 2026. At the same time, workforce tracker cutoffs.io pulled federal data showing eBay filed 429 H-1B visa applications in the same period. 360 applications in the second quarter, 69 in the first quarter. So the timeline is very clear. Americans going out, H-1B workers coming in. And here is the part that really stands out. eBay CEO Jamie, he said last month the company delivered first quarter 2026 results ahead of expectations. So this is not a struggling company trying to survive. This is a profitable company doing well and still choosing to lay off hundreds of Americans while simultaneously filing for hundreds of H-1B workers. Now here is the question everyone is asking. Is this even legal? See, the honest answer is probably yes. And here is why. WARN. Warn notices and H-1B applications do not automatically mean the same jobs are being swapped. The positions being eliminated and the positions being filled. They could be completely different roles, different departments, different skill set, different locations. And the H-1B program is specifically designed for specialized roles where companies genuinely cannot find qualified American workers. Companies are legally allowed to restructure. They are legally allowed to hire H-1B workers, and doing both at the same time while uncomfortable is not automatically illegal. But here is where it gets complicated. When a company is laying off hundreds of workers, the optics of simultaneously filing hundreds of H-1B applications, that raises very legitimate questions. Did eBay genuinely try to hire Americans for these H-1B roles first? Or is H-1B being used as a way to bring in cheaper specialized talent while cutting more expensive domestic workers? These are fair questions and so far eBay has not answered them publicly. Now here is the part that directly affects Indians, because every time a story like this breaks, every time a major company gets caught laying off Americans while filing H-1B application, it adds enormous fuel to the anti-H-1B fire. And that fire is already burning at its hottest point in years. Think about everything that is happening right now. There is a bill in Congress that wants to cut H-1B from 6 years to 2 years and OPT completely remove the green card pathway from H-1B entirely. Iowa's governor just banned H-1B workers from a $525 million government contract. And now eBay. It is making headlines for this. Each of these stories on its own seems manageable, but together they are building a political narrative that is directly threatening the H-1B system that hundreds of thousands of Indians depend on every single day. And that narrative is whether it is fair or not. It is gaining momentum faster than ever before. And here is the context that matters most. eBay is not the first company to face this scrutiny, and it will not be the last. Across the tech industry, companies have been announcing layoffs while simultaneously increasing AI investment and H-1B hiring. The pattern is becoming impossible to ignore and politicians are noticing. The anti-H-1B sentiment is not coming from nowhere. It is being fed by exactly these kinds of stories. And every story like this makes it harder for Indians to defend a system they genuinely depend on. Why? Because when critics point to eBay and say, look, they are firing Americans and hiring H-1B workers, the defense becomes very difficult, even when the full picture is more complicated than that. So, at the end, Let me conclude by saying that eBay filed to lay off 639 Americans and filed 429 H-1B applications in the same year. Whether this is legal or not, this is very, very debatable. But this hurts Indians in the long run, absolutely. The system is already under pressure from every direction, and stories like eBay make that pressure even worse. So, subscribe and share this with every Indian you know in America, because this conversation is not going away. And understanding it is the first step to navigating it. This is Neha Upadhyay signing off.